In this video we will familiarize ourselves in different day shape to be displayed by vessels as per International Regulation for Preventing Collision at Sea, 1972 and the International Code of Signals, Interco. Prepare your notes and let's start learning Camarinos. Number 1. Conical shape, apex downwards. In Rule 25, Paragraph A vessel proceeding under sail when also being propelled by machinery shall exhibit forward where it can best be seen a conical shape, apex downwards. Number 2. Conical shape, apex upwards. As stated on Rule 26 Paragraph C and Subparagraph 2. A vessel engaged in fishing, other than trawling, shall exhibit, when there is outlaying gear, extending more than 150 meters horizontally from the vessel, an all-round white light or a cone apex upwards in the direction of the gear. Number 3. Diamond shape. According to Rule 24 Paragraph A and Subparagraph 5. A power-driven vessel when towing shall exhibit, when the length of the tow exceeds 200 meters, a diamond shape where it can best be seen. Number 4. Vessel engaged in trawling. A vessel when engaged in trawling, by which is meant the dragging through the water of a dredge net or other apparatus used as a fishing appliance, shall exhibit 2 all-round lights in a vertical line, the upper being green and the lower white, or a shape consisting of 2 cones with their apexes together in a vertical line one above the other. Number 5. Vessel engaged in fishing. In Rule 26, Paragraph C and Subparagraph 1. A vessel engaged in fishing, other than trawling, shall exhibit 2 all-round lights in a vertical line, the upper being red and the lower white, or a shape consisting of 2 cones with apexes together in a vertical line one above the other. Number 6. Vessel at anchor. As per Rule 30 Paragraph A, Subparagraph 1. A vessel at anchor shall exhibit where it can best be seen, in the forepart, an all-round white light or one ball. Number 7. Vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver. In Rule 27, Paragraph B and Subparagraph 2. A vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver, except a vessel engaged in mine clearance operations, shall exhibit 3 shapes in a vertical line where they can best be seen. The highest and lowest of these shapes shall be balls and the middle one a diamond. Number 8. 3 balls. Based on Rule 27, Paragraph F. A vessel engaged in mine clearance operations shall, in addition to the lights prescribed for a power-driven vessel in Rule 23 or to the lights or shape prescribed for a vessel at anchor in Rule 30 as appropriate, exhibit 3 all-round green lights or 3 balls. One of these lights or shapes shall be exhibited near the foremast head and one at each end of the foreyard. These lights or shapes indicate that it is dangerous for another vessel to approach within 1,000 meters of the mine clearance vessel. Number 9. 2 ball in an vertical line. According to Rule 27, Paragraph D, Subparagraph 1. A vessel engaged in dredging or underwater operations, when restricted in her ability to maneuver, shall exhibit the lights and shapes prescribed in subparagraphs B, 1, 2, and 3, of this rule and shall in addition, when an obstruction exists, exhibit two all-round red lights or two balls in a vertical line to indicate the side on which the obstruction exists. Number 10. Vessel not under command. In Rule 27, Paragraph A and Subparagraph 2. A vessel not under command shall exhibit two balls or similar shapes in a vertical line where they can best be seen. Number 11. Three balls in a vertical line. In Rule 30, Paragraph D, Subparagraph 2. A vessel aground shall exhibit the lights prescribed in Paragraph A or B of this rule and in addition, where they can best be seen. Three balls in a vertical line. Number 12. Two diamond shapes in vertical line. In Rule 27, Paragraph D, Subparagraph 2. A vessel engaged in dredging or underwater operations, when restricted in her ability to maneuver, shall exhibit the lights and shapes prescribed in subparagraphs B, 1, 2, and 3 of this rule and shall in addition, when an obstruction exists, exhibit two all-round green lights or two diamonds in a vertical line to indicate the side on which another vessel may pass. Number 13. Cylinder shape. According to Rule 28, a vessel constrained by her draft may, in addition to the lights prescribed for power-driven vessels in Rule 23, exhibit where they can best be seen three all-round red lights in a vertical line, or a cylinder. Number 14. Code Flag Alpha. According to Rule 27, Paragraph Echo, Subparagraph 2. Whenever the size of a vessel engaged in diving operations makes it impracticable to exhibit all lights and shapes prescribed in paragraph D of this rule, the following shall be exhibited. A rigid replica of the International Code Flag, A, not less than 1 meter in height. Measures shall be taken to ensure its all-round visibility. Number 15. Code Flag Bravo. Meaning I am taking in or discharging or carrying dangerous goods. Number 16. Code Flag Hotel. It is a vessel with pilot on board. Number 17. Code Flag Tangok. Keep clear of me. I am engaged in pair trolling. Please like, share and subscribe.